I've never heard my dentist say don't drink seltzer water. I operate on a principle that I call biggest bang for your buck. And anytime I'm thinking about making a change, I just want to know, what can I get for a penny? What can I get for $1? What can I get for $100? And it's not literally the money, but it's the concept of I've got limited resources and I got limited time. So I'm not interested in dealing with issues like swap your seltzer water out for regular water. There's zero chance that if you got everyone to switch from seltzer to water, that you would make any difference. No one's really gonna know. I don't think that carbonated beverages themselves are the problem. I think the sugar in the carbonated beverages is the problem. My dentist literally has never told me not to drink carbonated beverages. He says, don't eat sugary foods. And I am not seeing any reliable, credible, scientific evidence that carbonation itself is a problem. I'm aware there might be some effects on our teeth. I'm aware that some people might get a little gassy from them. And then to me, that's a personal preference. And you can figure that out on your own. To me, this goes back to my biggest bang for your buck. Carbonated beverages are not what give people gas. The whole world drinks them, has for decades, and there's not a massive GI explosion of gas problems. It is true that there are people out there who have really done an excellent job with their health over a long period of time. And then these things can make a difference. If you're not that and you know who you are, then let's talk about the things that make the biggest difference. With a couple of questions, I can help you figure out if that's gonna make the biggest bang for your buck or not. Thanks a lot for watching. One of the things I love is to hear from you. And I learn a lot that way as well. And if you're thinking it, someone else is too. So please leave a comment and I'll answer it, and you can help me help others.